Well, I think this might be it for our Big Lots, setting out all of their Halloween displays, which that thing right there, I hope they put that one out, but it doesn't look like it. It says animated Raven Scarecrow, but they got this one out. I love, there's the motion sensor right there. It's so funny. I love it. I love it. It's his tie, yeah. And they have this really pretty trees, really big spider web that lights up with a couple spiders in it. That's really cool, actually. And they haven't put it up. There's a doggy. Yeah, that thing looks really cool. I don't know where the ravens are. I guess they're attached to the hat.
Oh, that's cute.
That's what it looks like. Interesting. And of course, everyone's favorite, the Roomba Broom. The Broomba. So it doesn't seem like any of these are plugged in for us to be able to test them out.
Oh, hey. Okay, these guys are cute.
I know. Get a bunch of them. Get like a pumpkin patch of evil thingies going on. They got any of these plugged in?
I don't think so.
Or batteries probably is what they need. Their face. Oh, somebody broke off that other handle.
My friend, come play with me.
I like the red lights in the eyes.
I just want to play a game with you.
That's nice. I like that. Whoa. Probably don't say this anymore, but that zombie got some cake. You got that booty. He's twerking it. Ooh, try me. Try me, suckers. How about your face? Or, I think it's a face. There we go. Oh. That'll show up so much better in the dark. Wow.
Loud.
That is very loud.
Why are all of these so loud?
I'm not sure. Let's see, we can also make something like this. Because we have so many extra skulls. See? See no evil,
hear no evil, speak no evil.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look.
As soon as I saw the hands,
Look, it's
on the ears
animated.
and the
He's
eyes, I'm
dancing.
like,
Dun, 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 dun,
See no evil,
dun,
hear no
dun,
evil,
dun,
speak no evil.
dun, 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 dun. My ribs look like a radiator girl. Dun, 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 dun. There's little bats in this one. I get the Hey Batty Batty Count song stuck in my. Oh, look at him though. That's so cute how they did this.
Big Lots?
This is Big Lots, yes. And they do have a lot of clothing merch. I know. Look at this one with the pumpkins and the chubby kitties. They look like pumpkins. I love this so much. Ooh, it's so soft. Oh, I love it.
It's kind of see-through though.
Well,
This
because,
is
you
also
know,
really cute.
layering is in. That's why it's see-through.
This is
Or
also
if you like
really
being
cute.
always hot, it's nice.
This is also really cute.
They're all cute.
I kind of want this.
Looks like they got all of this put out. I really like these really ornate pillows, decorative ones with the beading and some extra, you know, applique and things like that on them. These are really nice. Let's hang out. Look at this. These are adorable. And the one with the skull and the snake. They really went all out on these. They're very nice. Very, very nice stuff. I'm hoping these are candle holders and you don't drink out of these because that's I mean, if you want to, I guess it's okay, but I think probably for candle holders. Ooh, I don't think I've seen this one. No, it don't work. No, don't deny me.
Thank you very much. I'll be here all week.
Oh my God, I love it.
Well, I wouldn't go in there for a while.
Oh my God. I told you, it's fart jokes at Big Lots. Not Big Lots, Big Lots.
Is it time to go trick-or-treating? Anybody? No. Okay.
What in the world was that sound effect?
Hey, is this thing on? Thank you very much. I'll be here all week.
That is hilarious. I love these so much. Their tags are in their eyes. I mean, you know, that's all you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. See, I told you. Fart jokes, poop jokes. I love it. It's hilarious. I do wish the old geezer was bigger, though. Those are really cool. I think this one already went all the way down. No! It's inside. That's so cool.
These are terrible.
I love that one so much. That's one that I had to get last year. Oh.
Oh wait, I really like this one.
No, that one you stick in the refrigerator, freezer, and it gets cold. I'm
I
pretty
like this
sure.
one. This one's cuter.
That is very pretty. What else we got?
Oh, yeah, it's
Cups.
a chill tumbler. This one's cute.
It's taking an awful long time to kick its legs.
Oh, a tiny one too.
$15 for these spiders.
That's not it.
No, it's not. It's not good at all.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was thinking of big.
That's the you know. Well, I don't want to say crabby spiders, but you know the fill-in spiders that you put in between, you know, your good spiders to make it look very, very full of spiders. See, look at these. These are so nice. Like beating on these. Oh, I really like the spooky one. Look at those cobwebs. That's so pretty.
Cute.
Frog juice.
These are also really cute.
Turkeys. How could you? Stabby Halloween. What? Oh my goodness. Scary, gory pumpkins. You found a bargain. Nice. Now, can you press the button on the black one? Right here. Oh, it looks like it's... Oh, it is fiber optic. Oh, that's so neat. That's so cool. Ooh, I like how they... I don't know what you would say. Whoopsie. Shimmer or flicker or whatever the word is. That's so neat. Look at the one down there with the spiders on it. Look, someone actually copied something I did. How nice. That one's got red lights. Ooh, the big one has lights too. What's the big one? Cool. I like the red. That's very nice. Possibly orange? I can't tell with those. Those definitely need some more color on them. Nice. And it's built in. What? Wait. That's really cool. Now go back to that one again. That makes such a cool effect.
That's so pretty.
It's almost like bats or something in there. Oh yeah, gotta have the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. So nice. PJs. Tiny tumblers.
Oh, look, there's this one.
Yeah, no, I don't think I'm gonna take anything out of there. Seems like something
thank you.
that no one should be doing. Kids stuff, Disney stuff, Peanuts. You know, it kind of worries me a little bit that there's so much Peanuts stuff with everything that Disney owns. Makes me think Disney has already acquired Peanuts. Oh, look, it's a pillow. That's the handbook for the recently diseased.
I saw someone who had a bag
But
that
look,
was this.
it's an ice cream sandwich.
I saw someone who had a bag that was this. I loved it. PVA. Wait, that's how you spell PVA?
No. I've never heard of a Peva shower curtain. Nice.
PVA.
Well, that is an acronym for the ingredients. Guessing it's polyvinyl something. Let me out. You know, I like that one. It's a gargoyle on the tombstone saying let me out. Oh, I really like this, like, broken, sunken in one. That one's really cool. Oh, look, they even have a set over there. Can you pull it out just a little bit?
Oh,
Yeah, it's cute. They're not bad sized either.
nice.
How much is it? Is it 20? I didn't see
Yeah,
it.
I think so.
17. That's not bad.
Oh, this is kind of cute. Look at the
Especially
spiders.
since you can
Wait,
probably
I kinda
attach
like it
them
just
to
like
something
this.
thicker. I know.
It's a hat.
It's a, wow, the word has escaped me. Fascinator.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait.
You
I should probably
You guys are all waiting in line for something cool, and this one's like, they didn't know it was me that farted. That must be a really big skull if that's supposed to be a raven on top of it. I don't know what this is. Cookie jar? I don't know. They've got these nicely sealed so people don't open them up and break them. Oh, Jack Skellington butter dish. No, thanks. I think I'll take my butter
It could be better.
Sans characters.
Home Sweet Home. Wait, I like these. These are actually kind of cute.
They are cute, but yet again, I don't like to buy these because they're nice. and I would never use them. I mean, look at that dish drying rack. Hello. Beautiful.
Sounds like a home.
Stuff. Very nice. Very nice. Everything they got is very nice. Oh, it does work. No, don't stop. I heard someone growling over here. There it is. Booty zombie. Flameless LED candle.
Ooh.
Well, I hope it doesn't have flames if it has LEDs. Look at, I mean, like that, right there. That completely bedazzled table runner.
Yeah.
No way would I buy that because I wouldn't want to use it. It's too nice. Yes, we hear ya, we hear ya. You say, Big Lots got cool stuff. Go buy it if you want.